Did you know that Iceland has more than 10,000 waterfalls? Well, in today's vlog, we're going to show you some of the ones that we found. Good morning. Another beautiful night's sleep, another campground, another beautiful scenery. This is what we're waking up to this morning. It's a little foggy. Last night we drove through the mountains. It was snowing. We drove at night, which is not my favorite time to drive, but I wasn't driving, so. And we stopped in this small little town here. We camped out. Cost us about, I think it cost 5,000 Icelandic dollars, which is about $36 for us to stay here last night. And today we're going out towards the coast. I just finished brushing my teeth, washing my face, and get dressed and get ready for the day. Our first stop, and we found a waterfall! Like 2 minutes from our campsite. Let's get on the road, or the trail, I should say. Look at that waterfall amongst those colors there. That is amazing. Wow. Wow, that was our first waterfall. We're headed to number 2. I think we're gonna see a lot of waterfalls today, I don't know, hopefully, but this is amazing. Well, we made it to waterfall number 2. This is just a random stop, but wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow, so that was a wonderful waterfall there. It's so beautiful here. I'm in heaven here in Iceland right now. It's a great trip so far. And wow, just one more look at that view. All right, we are on number 3 for waterfalls today, and this one's supposed to be a little more strenuous to get to the top, so we'll see, but it's a little more sucked in. Oh, hello, little Billy. Alright, we're up, getting up in elevation. Hit a couple of switchbacks.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should
We made it to the top of this particular waterfall. I'll put the name of this one down here, but look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is what being outside is all about. This experience has given me all the feels of why I love to be outside in nature. It is so grounding. It is so, I can't explain, but when I hear and I see things like this outside, I just am so full. And I hope that sharing these videos with you guys gives you some of that feeling as well. But yeah, it's amazing. This is so amazing. Okay, I'm going to enjoy it for a second. I'll get back to you guys in a jiff.
So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. I've never been known for my cautious side. I know the wind that I stir is a gale. So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let's just do my love and see where it goes. So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let's just do my love and see where this road will take us now. I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well